Welcome to our quick guide on how to prune zucchini and summer squash plants. Let's make sure your garden thrives this season. First, identify the main stem of your zucchini or summer squash plant. This is crucial for effective pruning. Next, remove any yellowing or dead leaves. This helps the plant direct its energy towards producing more fruit. Trim off the suckers. These small shoots can sap energy from your plant if left unchecked. Always make clean cuts close to the main stem to prevent any damage or disease. Prune regularly, at least once a week, to keep your plants healthy and productive throughout the growing season. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips. Happy gardening! Mastering the art of pruning zucchini and summer squash plants. Pruning zucchini and summer squash is essential for healthy plant development and increased yield. Proper pruning techniques help manage growth, improve air circulation, and prevent disease, ensuring a bountiful harvest. Healthy plants thrive through regular pruning. Removing excess foliage reduces the risk of fungal infections and pests. Well-pruned plants focus their energy on producing high-quality fruit rather than unnecessary leaf growth. Essential tools for pruning include sharp garden shears, gloves, and disinfectant. Clean tools prevent the spread of disease, while gloves protect your hands. Invest in high-quality, durable equipment for best results. Timing is crucial for effective pruning. Prune zucchini and summer squash early in the morning or late in the afternoon. This reduces stress on the plants and minimizes water loss during the process. Before pruning, assess the plant's growth. Look for overcrowded areas and dead or yellowing leaves. Identifying these issues helps you determine where to make cuts, promoting healthier and more productive plants. Removing dead or yellowing leaves is crucial for zucchini and summer squash plants. These leaves often harbor pests and diseases, compromising plant health. Snipping them off encourages new, vigorous growth. Trimming excess foliage improves air circulation around your plants. Proper airflow minimizes fungal infections and other diseases. It also allows sunlight to penetrate deeper, benefiting the entire plant and its fruit production. Cutting back overgrown vines ensures your zucchini and summer squash plants remain manageable. Overgrown vines can choke each other out and reduce fruit quality. Pruning keeps the plants productive and healthy. Pruning helps control the size and shape of your plants. A well-maintained shape aids in easier harvesting and better garden organization. It also prevents the plants from overtaking neighboring vegetation. Managing suckers and secondary growth is essential for directing the plant's energy where it's needed most. Removing these unwanted parts focuses resources on fruit development and overall plant vitality. Pruning zucchini and summer squash ensures proper sunlight penetration, which is crucial for photosynthesis and fruit development. By removing dense foliage, you create an environment where sunlight reaches all parts of the plant. Promoting fruit development through strategic pruning involves selectively cutting back leaves and stems. This directs the plant's energy towards producing larger, more abundant fruits instead of supporting excessive foliage growth. Pruning techniques that prevent disease include removing unhealthy leaves and stems, which can harbor pathogens. Keeping the plant well ventilated reduces moisture buildup, thereby minimizing the risk of fungal infections. Handling pruned material properly is essential for garden hygiene. Composting healthy cuttings enriches the soil, while diseased plant parts should be disposed of to prevent the spread of infections. Regular maintenance pruning throughout the season keeps zucchini and summer squash plants healthy and productive. Consistent attention helps manage plant size, promotes air circulation, and ensures ongoing fruit production. Many gardeners mistakenly prune too much, weakening the plant. Overpruning reduces foliage needed for photosynthesis, stunting growth. Aim to only remove what's necessary to maintain a healthy, productive plant. Neglecting to sterilize pruning tools can spread diseases. Always clean and disinfect tools before and after use. This precaution helps ensure that your zucchini and summer squash remain disease-free. Proper pruning can significantly enhance plant yield. By removing unnecessary growth, plants can channel energy into fruit production. This results in larger, more abundant zucchini and summer squash harvests. Early season pruning focuses on shaping and encouraging growth, while late-season pruning aims to manage size and remove spent foliage. Understanding these differences ensures plants thrive throughout their growing cycle. Monitoring plant response post-pruning is crucial. Look for signs of stress or vigorous new growth. Adjust your pruning techniques based on plant reactions to maintain optimal health and productivity.